Hello, this is Sarah from the blog She Holds Dearly, and today I'm going to be showing you our chicken crate coffee table. So what I found was a square table from a thrift store. I paid $9 for it. I took it home and we ended up flipping it upside down and adding 1x2s with dowels in them. And then we put slats on the top and added casters, and we had our coffee table. I finished off the piece by waxing it with a dark furniture wax to give it that aged patina that I love so much. The beauty of this project is you can customize any size chicken crate that you want to come up with. So it can be rectangular or square or as tall as you want, but you can come up with a more realistic furniture size than if you had just purchased one from an antique store. I hope that you try this unique and charming coffee table idea. Check the description below for more details. Or visit the blog She Holds Dearly at sheholdsdearly.com.